Hi, my name's Bob Spalton. I'm the owner of Aladdin Cleaning and Restoration. Prior to me buying Aladdin, I had corporate jobs and I was traveling all the time, and I felt like I couldn't give back to the community because I was gone all the time. Well, the business was started in 1956, and then I decided I wanted to buy my own company, and I approached the guy that owned Aladdin, and we came to a deal, and that happened in 1996. I love being in the business of helping people. People bring in their rugs, we clean them, they turn out great and they're super happy, or we go to their house where their carpets are dirty and we clean the carpets.
Hi, I'm Meg Stouffer and I am the president of Aladdin. I've been at Aladdin for 20 years. At first I just loved the people and getting to help people every day, and the customer interaction is really nice. We have people who bring in rugs every day, and so every day is different. It's not like a boring, monotonous job. But as I've worked here longer, I've really grown to love the rug industry.
Hello, I'm Damon Fortenberry. I'm the rug plant manager here at Aladdin Cleaning and Restoration. There's a couple of ways rugs will come to us. Customers can bring us their rugs, or we can have our pickup and delivery service help facilitate that in the home. But when rugs are brought to us, we unload them from the parking lot. We bring them into our shop, put them on our inspection floor. There we'll unroll them with the customer. We'll qualify them, inspect them, measure them, make sure we're on the same page with the cleaning, get a price, and then we're ready to check it in and get going on the getting it cleaned up for them. Our rug workshop is a little bit different here. We do have quite a bit invested into our rug plant here, and this is a little bit bigger and better than most shops around here that you'll find here in South Texas.
I love everything about San Antonio except for August, when it gets to be 110 degrees for 10 days straight.
San Antonio is home. I was born and raised here, and we call it the Bubble, Alma Heights, Alms Park, Trail Hills, that type of thing. And I knew a lot of people in that area. I've grown up with them. And when I bought this company, a lot of them were still using us, but they came over more, and we have third and fourth generation people coming here. So it's really neat.
We do residential and commercial cleaning in home. We clean wall-to-wall carpet, upholstery, drapes, really anything from top to bottom. We also sell rugs. We mostly sell hand-woven antique rugs. It's kind of a passion of ours since we do the cleaning, and we got into selling them just because of our love of rugs.
Yes, we've always invested in the rug washing, and because of that, it gives us an edge on our rug washing. We can do things that other folks can't do, and we can do them maybe a little bit better and a little bit faster. But that's not our goal. Our goal is to get every rug as clean as we can safely, and these processes help with that.
We have an excellent team that will take very good care of their rug or their carpets or floors, whatever we happen to be doing for them. And we have trained our team to go above and beyond on providing excellent customer service. I know everybody says that, but we really walk the talk. And we have had so many people tell us, I haven't had that kind of a customer experience, service experience in years. So that's very rewarding to me, and makes me very proud of my team.
We know how much you love rug washing, so we want to show you all of the rug washing videos. Thank you for coming to our YouTube channel. We hope that you'll subscribe to see do-it-yourself tips, behind the scenes of rug cleaning, carpet cleaning videos, even carpet repairs. And please comment down below if you have any questions about your rugs or carpets. We would love to help you answer any question.